Hey guys, today we're going to go chase waterfalls, so jump in the truck and don't forget to hit that little subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget that little bell thingy. So we're crossing over to the Upper Peninsula on our way to Tahquamenon Falls in Paradise, Michigan. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride. The falls are within the Tahquamenon Falls State Park, located between Newberry and Paradise, Michigan. A recreational passport is needed to enter the falls and allows entry to all Michigan state parks. The passport can be purchased when entering the park and is good for a year. The campground offers both RV and tent camping within walking distance of the lower falls and is an additional cost. The lower falls, located just 4 miles downstream from the upper falls, are a series of 5 smaller falls cascading around an island, which can be reached by rowboat. A hiking trail runs between the falls along the riverside, and visitors often play in the lower falls during the summer heat. The water is notably brown in color from the tannins leached from cedar swamps, from which the river drains.
Trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness, give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky.
At the Upper Falls, there is a gift shop as well as a brewery adjacent to the parking lot. You can follow the paved pathway just under a half a mile to the observation platforms at the crest of the falls, and they are handicap accessible. 94 steps lead to the bottom of the falls, where the water crashes into the Tahquamenon River. The Upper Falls is one of the largest waterfalls east of the Mississippi. It has a drop of nearly 50 feet and is more than 200 feet across, and a maximum flow of more than 50,000 gallons of water per second.
If they did, they're crazy.
Oh, they did. They got it. I got the quarter. Hey!
There's also a gorge viewing deck and a 4-mile hiking trail along the river that leads to the Lower Falls. A quick stop at the Whitefish Bay picnic area on our way back to our campsite provides stunning views of the Lake Superior and the Canadian mountains in the distance.
Some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger. Someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that little subscribe button right down there. And don't forget to ring the little bell. And after that, go ahead and enjoy another one of these great videos. We'll see you out there.